Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the goals 10x. So mostly when you wanted to achieve the goals, make sure that you have one single goal which is most important and make it prior. For example, when we have many goals, say like you have like 4 or 5 goals that you are supposed to achieve this year within December 31st, 2022, then there might be a lot of confusion. There might be a lot of different priorities. You may shift from one goal to other goal, and this may happen like you might lose your focus from one goal to next goal and from there to next goal, and you will not know where you should focus on or which goal should you focus on. And it's very important that we are not supposed to lose a focus when we are focusing. And the foremost important thing is when we have decided our goals, and we should prioritize it. For example, say you have 5 goals, and out of it, which one goal will change this year as a whole to make this year a successful year. For example, say you have like a goals like you want to buy a car, you want to save 10 lakh rupees, you want to build a house, and you want a better job. Which one, the one thing which will change the whole year and make it the best or the most successful year for you? So maybe it's the job that you wanted to change. That one thing might change your whole year. So focus on it and make sure that you achieve it. And as I earlier mentioned in my videos, make sure that every day as you wake up, immediately mention or write down your goals every day to make sure that these goals becomes very memorable in your subconscious mind. You should put all these things in your subconscious mind, and let's achieve our goals. Thanks for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and like. Let's meet tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.